Alrighty guys, so we're packing for only a one-night trip. So we're driving there early in the morning, spending the day there, sleeping, and we are leaving the next day. Hey, don't do that, buddy. So I'm just packing about 2 pairs of underwear for me, and I'm putting it in this little baggie that we have in our small carry-on. Yeah. And then I got 2 pairs of underwear for my husband. So 2 pairs of socks for my husband. Where we're going, it is going to be a bit colder than where we live. So it will be snowing the whole time we get there. And just an average is colder there. So, and then 2 pairs of socks for me. And then, let's see, I got a tank top and PJ pants for my husband. And then I got PJ pants and these, just a t-shirt for myself. And then I got some comfy leggings for the road back home while we driving. And then, let's see, what did I grab? So I have this like light sweater that I'm bringing for the way home. Also, so just super comfy clothes for on the road back home. And then I'm just bringing this cute shirt. It's like a knit kind of sweater, maternity, so it's perfect. It's gonna be nice on me for while we're there, after we get to the hotel, just in case if I want to just change into a fresh shirt after we are out all day outside in the snow and stuff. And then for my husband, I have also just a t-shirt if he wants to change once we get to the hotel into a different shirt, like, because it's gonna be snowing there, so I don't know if, you know, if we get wet or something. Got him a t-shirt and a sweater for the way home, obviously, and a coat, but that is going to be also for him on the way home. And I'm going to clip this because it's getting pretty tight. So it just holds all that stuff in place. And then some black jeans for him also when we go home. And then the last thing that I'm packing for us is a swimsuit for me. So hopefully it still fits with my growing baby bump. But it's pretty stretchy, and it has kind of like on one side like this what maternity shirts have that lets you stretch out. So I think it should still fit. If not, then I will just wear some t-shirt and some, I don't know, but I'm pretty sure it'll still fit. and then some swimming shorts for my husband. There's a pool in the hotel, so we are gonna go swimming. And I think that's it, what we're bringing for one night at a hotel and spending the whole day there and about the morning. Alright, so I have this clear makeup bag that I will be using. So I will bring a little comb for myself, a deodorant, and then toothpaste. So we all have different toothpastes, you know, kids toothpaste. My husband has just like a normal toothpaste, and I have like a for special sensitive teeth toothpaste. And then a little face wash, moisturizer, lip balm, and then just some little sprays that we will take with us. And then on top, I'll put our toothbrushes. Stuff fit in here. And yeah, that is it for the toiletries. I'm not bringing any makeup because I will put makeup on in the morning before we leave, and then we're just gonna spend the whole day there and then sleep, and the next day we're just gonna drive back home, so I don't really need makeup while we're driving back home. So I am not bringing any makeup, and I'm just trying to have it super simple, you know, not to pack a whole bunch. But I also I'll bring some Kleenex tissues just in case. Oh, and I'll bring these little dog poo bags. I use these for if Jake has an accident, I just put his peed or pooped pants and clothes in here in this little bag. It's big enough to put all his clothes there, and then later when I have a chance, I get to wash them. Alright, and that is it for packing, and we will be leaving early morning. See you guys then. Alright, so Jacob is, hopefully all of his stuff fits in here, but he is gonna have a lot of stuff with him. It's just gonna empty out the diaper bag. It's not really a diaper bag anymore because he doesn't wear diapers. Underwear bag, I guess. So I'm bringing this for his PJs. He usually doesn't wear one pieces anymore because he goes to the bathroom, but I'm gonna bring this anyways. Alright, so I'm bringing a lot of clothes just in case if he has an accident while we're out and about. So I'm bringing, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 pairs of underwear. So hopefully that'll be enough. If anything, we will have to just wash them and dry them. So 4 pairs of underwear because he still has some accidents here and there. And then I am bringing some underpants because it's going to be cold, so he will have to wear 2 pairs of pants. So let's see, we got about 3 underpants. I'll bring some jeans, and then I'll have him wear these jeans actually that have a warmer inside already. So I'll have him wear those when we leave. And then I'll bring these little snow pants because it's gonna be pretty chilly and we're gonna be outside. So he's gonna be in his stroller with a blanket, so I'll bring those also. And then I'll bring these. So I'm bringing a lot of pants because we're gonna be outside, so they will most likely get a little wet or moist. So once we get to the hotel, we'll definitely have to change him. And probably gonna bring these snow pants, like a suit, if we decide to go do a little bit of sledding. So I'll leave this on the side because it's super bulky. I'll leave this to the side, the other little snow pants, because I might put them on once we come there, so I'll leave it for the top. Once we go there, you'll probably just wear a long sleeve shirt with a warm sweater. So this is what he's gonna wear, this cute sweater with the long sleeve shirt under and his coat. And then I'll grab him another long sleeve shirt if he needs to change. Probably on the way home he's gonna wear this long sleeve shirt with this sweater and a coat. So if it gets hot in the car, he can just take off his coat, but he'll have also a sweater. And then I'll bring this warm sweater, and he needs another shirt. I got another long sleeve shirt. And then I am bringing 4 pairs of socks. Yes, buddy. You're a little kitty cat. No, thank you, buddy. Jacob. So I managed to fit everything in here. So all of his stuff is in here.